Really loud clap. Awesome. All right, so put it together again for Alan, and we'll let him speak.
Okay, start the clock. My name is Alan Pope. I'm a developer advocate. I work at Canonical on Ubuntu and Snapcraft. And my talk is titled, Your Store Page Sucks. Let's fix it. Why is this clicker not working? Oh, man. Use the mouse. So snaps are software packages for Linux. We have a beautiful web-based front end that allows people to see the snaps that are in the Snap Store. You can visit the Snap Store right now. Go to snapcraft.io and click the Store button at the top of the page. This, for example, is the store page for Microsoft Visual Studio Code, a third-party desktop application available in the Snap Store, published by Microsoft. These pages look awesome on desktops and on mobile browsers as well. If you scroll down on the page, you see more detail, a description of the application, what it does, why you might want to install it. It links to the upstream developer's website where prospective users can find out more. The contact link goes to a Twitter account where you can interact with the developers. And there's also accurate license data over on the right-hand side, and the application has been updated recently. Your reaction might be, wait, I have a store page? And the answer is yes. If you publish a snap in the Snap Store, you automatically get a store page. Here's another example of a great store page. It's a bit difficult to tell because there's a lot of black here. It's an application called LAS2019. It's correctly cased at the top. It's in multiple categories, so it makes it easy for users to find it. You can embed a video. In this case, it's an ASCII cinema because it's a command line application. And you can have multiple screenshots. We'll cut them some slack here because this is a terminal-based application, which is why it's all black. Well, that looks great. There's a rich description with lots of information and links to where you can find out more information. And again, it's been updated recently and the license is correct. More markdown. If you keep scrolling, there's even more information. Maybe details about what you could do post-install, links to more documentation, developer website, GitHub account, all kinds of stuff. And also, if we blog about it on the Ubuntu blog, they get embedded here as well. So we can help promote your application if you put it in the Snap Store, and those blogs get cross-linked in the store page. Why should I care about this, you might be thinking? Surely people won't visit these pages. This is not how people discover applications on Linux. And the answer is, you're wrong, they do. People find these pages through organic search. In some cases, the Snapcraft page appears before the official installation documentations in the Google rank. So people do find these pages and they do click on them. And here is an example of the metrics that you might get access to if you publish a snap in the store. Having a good store page gives users confidence that they can install your application. More users will install an application with a decent store page. This is the metrics for the GNU image manipulation program, also known as GIMP. If you have a nice store page, it will drive more users to install your application. I guarantee if you have a prettier page, you'll get more installs than if you don't. So what do I need to do? Well, if you've uploaded something to the Snap Store, visit your page and put yourself in the shoes of an alien who's never seen your application before. And let's take a couple of terrible examples. Here's a terrible Snap Store page, no pictures, the application name is incorrectly cased. I'm not sure that license is right, but the last updated date is wrong. There's not a rich description. It's a terrible example of a store page. Nobody would want to install this thing. In fact, the Contact Canonical link at the bottom goes to a mailing list. Like, who wants to go to a mailing list? Send your people to Discourse or Slack or Rocket Chat or IRC or MySpace or wherever you hang out, and don't send people to dusty mail and mailing lists, because then they end up sending you strange emails to your mailing list. That's a terrible thing to expect people to do. Thank you for listening. Make your store page look nice, people will visit it, and I guarantee you'll get more installs. For more information, you can do a Bing search for Make Your Store Page Pop, and my colleague Heather is giving a talk tomorrow about more of this stuff, and you can hear more then. Also, come downstairs and grab a free t-shirt from the Ubuntu stand. Thank you very much for listening.